everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. You guys, I am a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, and the reason I'm doing this video is because I really wanted you to take advantage of the great deal that's going on right now. So if you are a new Paper Pumpkin subscriber, from now, actually it was from March 11th through May 10th, your first 2 Paper Pumpkins are 50% off. Okay, and let me just tell you, I look forward to this box every month because you never know what you're going to get inside. And let me tell you, the stuff is amazing. They give you everything you need to create the most beautiful projects. I mean everything, from envelopes, adhesives. I mean, the only couple things you may need to use are like scissors or trimmer. But I really love this, and I wanted to show you this month's Paper Pumpkin kit because I think it's amazing. Now, I couldn't wait to get into this because, like I say, I look forward to this. But how awesome is this stamp set? It's got a little lighthouse. It's got a little wheel, anchor, some birds, little sailboat, hearts, big anchor. I love this. I am surrounded by water, so for me this stamp set is, I love it. I just don't even know what to tell you. So the ink spot that we're going to get, so when you get your Paper Pumpkin, you get an ink spot. When you are a new subscriber, your first kit you get an acrylic block so that you're able to use your stamps. So it will come all beautifully packaged. I ripped into mine because, like I say, I can't wait for these to come in. But this is the projects. Oh my goodness, I love it. Love, 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 love it. So pretty much you get everything you need to create this. You get instructions. Now you can follow these instructions. You can follow the instructions as they are, or you can switch it up and just make it your own, which is great. So these are the instructions, and again, you can follow them the way they are. Stampin' Up! Also does provide a place where you can actually see how to make it. They show you step-by-step videos as well. Okay, and in this kit it contains supplies for 20 cards and envelopes and 4 boxes. Wow, you guys, wow, wow, wow. So I love this. Here's all the envelopes. I mean, just amazing, double-sided, stunning stuff, high quality. If you feel the paper, I mean, it's just phenomenal. The card bases, oh, I think these could be the boxes maybe. I don't know what that is, maybe like a belly band. I have to really go through this. I haven't, obviously I opened it on camera. Stunning, you guys. Now I love this, just fantastic. Some little hearts. OMG, this has got some gold, like a gold foil in it. Such good quality. Like I say, your first 2 months subscription is 50% off. Some thread and quite a lot. Like, they're not skimpy, I can tell you that. Oh, I'm assuming these are the boxes, and it's got all the adhesive already, which is awesome. You really don't have to do much. Now again, you can follow the directions exactly the way they are, or you can make it your own. Some more adhesive. We got some little cutouts some anchors and lighthouses. You guys, this kit I think is my favorite. It's got some little gold accents and doodads. Amazing. You do need a code in order to get this deal, and the code is SAVE500418. So if you do subscribe to Paper Pumpkin to get this 50% off deal, like I say, your first kit will have an acrylic block that you will be able to use over and over and over, which is great. And again, the projects, you never know what you're going to get, and you can always follow the instructions as they are or create whatever you want. So yeah, you guys, take advantage of this. It's a fabulous deal going on right now. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you are in the US and you are interested in this promotion, I will have it linked in the description below. I will also have a detailed description over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look. And yeah, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by. Take care.